The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to answer a viewer question. Is a parent who pays child support required to notify the recipient of changes in employment or income? So first let's talk about how child support is calculated in Illinois and why this is important. Child support is based on the income of the parties relative to one another. So the more you make if you're the obligor, the more you're likely to pay if the other person makes less than you. If you're the recipient, the more you make, the less you're likely to receive. So it's not a couple years ago, it used to be just based on the income of the obligor. Now it's based on both parties' income and how they stack up against one another. So the next question is, do child support payments change when a parent changes employment or when their income changes? And the answer is that either party can file a motion to modify child support if there's been a substantial change in circumstances, and this includes a change in employment or change in income. So it has to be a significant change. And in order to make that change, somebody has to actually go to court and file a motion to make that change and show that there's been a change in circumstances that warrants a change in child support. So it doesn't happen automatically. That's important. A lot of people think child support payments will just automatically change as income changes. It doesn't happen automatically, and you can't do it through self-help. You actually have to go to court to get the order changed. So finally, this leads us to the main question we're trying to answer here is a parent who pays child support required to notify the other parent if there's been a significant change of circumstances, either a change in employment or a change in income? There's a little bit of a nuanced answer. So the short answer is they're not required to notify the other parent of significant changes unless the court order for child support explicitly requires them to do so, or unless the settlement agreement that the parties signed requires them to do so. So if they're explicitly required to do so by one of the operative documents, they are then required to notify the other parent. In the absence of one of those documents saying that they're required, there is no requirement that if a party gets a raise or gets a better job, they're required to notify the other parent of that change so that the other parent can file a motion to modify child support. Now, the solution that the other parent has is to periodically, if they so choose, go through the discovery process through their attorney in the court and issue requests for information about income and employment if they have reason to believe that income or employment has changed. And you can do this every several years if you want, just to check up on the other parent if you don't have direct contact. If the child support payments are being managed by the Department of Child Support Services, you can request a review of each party's income and the child support amount every 3 years through the DCSS. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to us on YouTube, iTunes, or SoundCloud, or subscribe to our email blast that we send out once a month, and you'll be notified by any of those methods of our daily article and video posts. If you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We have offices all around Chicagoland, and we offer free consultations in most areas of law. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.